Welcome to Sagar Ketwani Programming. We are here to learn C programming language. So let's get started. Welcome to C Programming Lecture 2. The topics that were covered in Lecture 1 were C character sets, tokens, literals, keywords, identifiers, and meaning of operators. If you have not seen video 1, please check it out for the better understanding of this lecture. Topics covered in this video are compiler used in C programming, header files in C programming, comments in C program, the basic structure of any C program, and first C program. Today we will be starting with our first program, so stay tuned to understand how should we develop our source code. Now, the compiler used in C program. Turbo C will be the compiler that will be used for C programming, and I will be giving you the link that from where can you download this Turbo C software. Okay, so now let's begin with what are header files. In a layman language, just understand that header files are simple files that are already included in your compiler, and these files contain some predefined functions which can be used when you want to use them. Some of the examples of like the basic what you can say that the basic header files which will be using in any of the C program will be like #include stdio.h stdio.h and then #include conio.h. Now what does this stdio.h means? stdio.h is standard input output. Okay, it is like standard input output. So whatsoever you will be performing, like any of the input and output functions, it will be included in this standard input output, right? Now what is this conio.h? This is set for like console input output. Okay, so this is console input output. The basic function which is included in this, the basic functions that are included in this conio.h are getch. For the time being, just understand like getch is for get character. Okay, so this is for get character. You just have to take character until and unless user or like you who are checking this code does not press any key, the screen will not vanish. The output will be shown to you till that time until and unless you click any of the button, right? If you are not putting this getch in this, then it won't be showing you the output easily, because the output is shown just for fraction of second, okay, which we cannot get it, right? Let us understand what are comments in C program. Comments in C program are of two types: single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comments are those comments in which you want to comment your only a single line. Basically, why we are using comments? Comments are being used to explain your source code. Like if you are writing a very long source code, and if you want to think, like if you want to brainstorm, like this line is written for which purpose, you can just use comments. So now this is your single line comment. Now if I am writing, hi, my name is Sagar Ketwani. Okay, now this line, my name Sagar Ketwani, is being commented by me. Okay, so, here is the difference, that if you are writing this after the double slash, okay, after the double slash, it will be counted as a comment. But if you are writing it before it, like hello or something else, like, so this will be counted as an error because this is not understood by the compiler, right? So here's a multi-line comment. If you want to write any of your like a big paragraph on your screen, then you can use multi-line comment, like explaining what your source code will be doing. Okay, so it is like using multi-line comment as my name is Sagar Khetwani. I am a YouTuber. I am I am a college student. I love driving. Okay, so if I am using this, then this whole is a comment for me. Okay, this whole is comment for me. This will not be taken, it will not be interpreted by a compiler. Okay, so guys, this was all about comments. Now let us understand the basic structure of any C program. Basic structure of any C program includes the header file, the main functions, starting of any braces, source code, and then closing of your braces. The main function is actually a main function because this is the source code which will be running out, which will be showing you the output. Okay, so if you are using that functions, like if you are making any kind of function, you will be calling the functions in this main function only. If you are using some conditional statements, looping statements, you will be using in this main function only. So this is the main function, and this was the basic structure of any C program. Now let us move ahead and see the very first C program. The very first C program includes stdio.h, and this is the program to show the output. Printf is being used to display hello world. This is my first C program, and this is the program which will be displaying this line. Okay, so this line will be shown as an output, right? This is the output of your program, and printf is the function which is being used to print this line on the screen, right? This is the line which is to be printed on the screen. Okay, and if you want to clear the screen, then you will be using this function clr scr. This is for clear screen. Okay, and getch, as I explained you, like getch is the function which you are using for taking a character to hold the screen, like to freeze the screen. So this was your very first source code, and now we will be understanding it on the Turbo C++ compiler. So this is the very first screen that we will be watching after opening Turbo C++. Now we have to code upon this screen only. Now we will start writing our source code. So this is #include stdio.h, #include conio.h, void main. Okay, so this is our main function. Now why I have written this void over here, the reason behind is that it will not be showing any output. Like if you are not writing any code in this block, if you are not writing anything, it won't be showing anything. Okay, so now I have to write clr scr. Why I am writing is for the clear screen. Okay, now I have to print something on my screen, so I will be using printf function. Guys, function is something like which will be ending with these small brackets. Okay, so anything you are writing, and if you are putting small brackets after it, it will be your function. Like this is your main function. Main function is also including these small brackets. Okay, now clear screen function, this is also a function which is used for clearing the screen, and I am using these small brackets over here also and here also. Okay, so whatsoever I will be writing between these small brackets, it will be giving me the output. So this is printf. I will be writing like, hi, this is Sagar Khetwani. So this will be printed on my screen. Now to hold it, to hold the screen, I will be using getch function. Okay, so this is getch function which I will be using for freezing my screen. So I will also be showing that if you are not putting getch over here, then what will be your output. So let us first compile the code. Compilation of code includes errors or mistakes that you have made and the warnings which will be given by compiler. like here I have compiled my code, and you can see that there are 0 warnings and 0 errors. Okay, so it is showing that press any key. I am pressing. Okay, so this was compiled that this program is error free and warning free. Now to run the code, running of the code will give you the output. Okay, I am running it like Control plus F9. So here is your output. Now you can see this. Okay, see this again. So this is your output. Hi, this is Sagar Khetwani. Okay, so I have shown you the output, and now let us see if I don't put getch in it, like if I am putting it as a comment. So you can see that I have put comment over here, and it is being changed to the color of light blue. So this means that this is my commented code, and compiler will not be executing or interpreting this code. Okay, so if I press Ctrl plus F9, the screen just flashed out. It just vanished because because the screen vanished. The reason behind this was that it came but for a fraction of a second, so you can't judge that screen. So for that reason, to hold the screen, I will be putting getch. So this was our first program, and I will be showing more basics of the C programming in the next video. So stay tuned to understand the C programming language properly. Thank you for watching C programming. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Sagar Khetwani Programmings.